In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and use a healer in Pixelmon. Now it has changed, so a lot of videos are out of date, and I thought this would be very useful. So there's two ways you can do it. The first way is you make it yourself, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. And the second way is that you go to a poker center in a village, which can be hard to find, and then you can just take it from there. So the crafting recipe for a healer, you're going to need iron. So we need 4 iron, aluminium. We can use just ingots, I believe. We need 4 of those, or actually, yeah, we need 4 of those. We only need 3 iron. Okay. We need a diamond. And now we actually need dye as well. So whichever color you want it to be, get that color dye. I'm just going to do white. And before you had to get aluminium plates with an anvil and a hammer, but now you don't need to do that. So all you need to do now is to craft. You just need to go into a crafting table with these. You want to have the aluminium in the corners, the ingots like a triangle shape, diamond in the middle, and you want to put the dye at the bottom like this. Now, a lot of people are asking how to get aluminium. You need to get this thing called bauxite ore, and you can get this from mining. There's no such thing as aluminium ore. There's this one, and once you smelt this one, it will give you these ingots, and this is about as rare as iron, so it's not too hard to find. Also, once you craft a healer, you'll get this polygon body, and now from here we can place the healer down. And what you want to do is you'd right click on it, and it'll put all of your pokeballs in here, and then it will spin them round, you can see, and it will pop them out, and they will be fully healed. And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.